Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup routine that I did using my November Boxy Charm, and I really wanted to come on here and tell you guys about this Snow Mushroom Serum. So this Snow Mushroom Serum is by Volution, I think is how you say it, and y'all know I had no idea what a snow mushroom was. I never heard of a snow mushroom, never seen it, never seen any products that utilized it. So I looked it up, and it says the snow mushroom has a flexible hydration that helps restore skin to its most hydrated state, and it also has particles in it that are smaller than hyaluronic acid, which means it penetrates the skin even easier. So like I said, this was very moisturizing. I did use it in this video as a primer in addition to the old Harrison primer that I used, but it's because it just glides on and it really puts up a really nice moisture barrier. And I'm using the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette here to do this eye look. And I also use this Alamar eyeshadow base, which is actually supposed to be used for like loose pigments, but it worked really well for cutting the crease here. And I just felt like, you know, I wanted to use all the new products, so I decided to use that instead of the p.louise eye base. But I did prime my eyes initially using the p.louise eye base. So the Stila product here is not new, but I got this actually in a Boxy Charm earlier this year, so I thought, why not throw this in there? I didn't like how dark that pink color came out in the palette, so I just added this liquid eyeshadow on and then just tapped on that gold shimmer from the Natasha Denona palette. Okay, so sis makes a really long wing. Like, I don't know who I was trying to cut, but I made a really long wing, and you guys will see like my reaction in a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and like clean that up and obviously make that a little bit, you know, more presentable and whatnot, because this is not that bold of a makeup look. I am disgusted by this shade of the McGrath Labs foundation that I have. Now, I got this back in April and I did the shade match and it said this was my shade, but as you guys can see, it kind of is just too light. So this is the one that has olive undertones. I do not have an olive undertone, and I think that's why it makes me look pretty ghostly. You'll see it even more when I put on this e.l.f. concealer, because this is my actual skin tone. Oh, look at that. That is not the same as this foundation. I added my Tarte Shape Tape to lighten that up because look, clearly this is not it. And it works out. I just have to do a lot of manipulation with this foundation because, again, like I said, it is not the right shade and it makes me look like a ghost. But with the power of contouring and, you know, contour powders, I was able to make it look decent, make it work. So yeah. And as you guys see, I'm just going ahead to do just like, you know, my standard, you know, contouring process. I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face, and then I'm gonna do my powder contour, everything. But you guys can definitely see the transformation of this foundation because it looked like trash. Don't clock me, because I know. As you guys see, look, I start feeling myself because I'm like, okay, you cute, it's coming along, hey, okay. But I'm gonna just go ahead back with that brush that I used to set my face, and I'm gonna just go over this all over again. No extra product, but just to blend everything together. Okay, so as far as this lip liner goes, I'm using the shade Mimi by Morphe, and as you guys can see, this is not working out. Why make my lips look so dark? But clearly, yeah, it's not, no, that's not it. So I went ahead to use a Scorpio lip liner that I have by Juvia's Place to go ahead and just kind of add some depth to like the higher points of my lips. And then I go ahead and add my lipstick In Vogue by Juvia's Place as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my brush and just kind of blend Scorpio into the lip liner that I already have on to kind of, you know, tweak it a little bit. I just didn't want to do too dark of a lip because I wanted it to be pink, but not that pink, sis. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little mini tutorial with me. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video.